Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hope. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, please do want to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know what it is. Thank you so much for your support. Please do not forget to turn on the post notifications so that once I post new videos in future, you'll be the first to get notified. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a product, and the name of the product is the Roushun Vitamin C Serum. If you like to see how this serum worked for me, if you like to know what this serum does, then sit back, relax, while we jump right into the video. Welcome back, guys. So first off, what is a serum? A serum is a lightweight oil-based or water-based liquid that usually comes in small bottles that most times comes with a dropper. So this one right here is an example of a serum, and there are different types of serum. We have the brightening serum, we have the hydrating, we have the exfoliating, and so on and so forth. But for today's video, we're going to be talking about the brightening serum. This is a brightening serum, so this falls in the category of a brightening serum. So first, the Roushun Vitamin C Serum has 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, professional anti-aging brightening serum. Yes, it's written on the body, it's written on the packaging that this is a brightening serum. Yeah, and it's also anti-aging. So now the key ingredients in this, the ingredient list is actually long, but I don't want to make this video long. I want to make it as short as possible, so I'll be going straight to the point, and I'll be telling you guys the key ingredient, the key nutrients in this vitamin C serum is vitamin C, which is the major ingredient, followed by the hyaluronic acid with hazel water and green tea. These are the key nutrients as described on the pack. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant that protects skin cells from free radicals of aging, as well as environmental aggressors like air pollutants and sun exposure. Vitamin C helps with skin brightening, stimulates new collagen production, minimizes fine lines, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Hyaluronic acid as a booster to increase skin volume and fullness. It plumps and hydrates the skin for a youthful resilience. With hazel water, a well-known natural popular astringent that helps tighten the skin, fights bacteria inside your pores, and reduces swelling and acne. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants to help fight inflammations and signs of aging. Green tea is also great for treating oily skin and eliminating acne. That is what all these ingredients does actually. But then we're going to find out in this video if it actually did all that for me when I used it. Now let's hear what the manufacturer has to say about this product and how it works. It says, with our newly improved formula, Roushun Vitamin C Serum is thin and highly effective. It will help fade sunspots and discoloration, refine skin texture, reduce wrinkle formation, and minimize existing wrinkles. It also has a high concentrated base of pure vegan hyaluronic acid to plump skin cells and protect and restore. So this is everything the manufacturer has promised us, that when we use this product, we're going to get it. So how to use this product: you wash and pat your skin dry. You can go with a toner if you want. If not, you apply this on your skin. Just a few drops will do. So this is how the product looks like. It usually comes in this kind of packaging. It has another protector inside. Like, this is a thicker version of this one up here. It's actually bottle. I feel like this is actually to protect the bottle from breaking, and maybe I don't know. So long story short, it is a 30 ml it's in a 30 ml container, and this is what it looks like. I've been using this product and I'm almost out. Can you see it? We have just a very little inside. So I'm almost out on this product because I've been using it for quite some time, so that I can come tell you guys how this product really worked on me. When I got the Roushun Vitamin C Serum, I had a lot of expectations. Yes, just like you are watching this video right now, I started going online, to search for vitamins, affordable vitamin C serums that I could use. And trust me, this is super affordable. I got it 1,500 naira, and up until now, it's still sold for that price. Okay, so the this product is super effective. Like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. It's super effective. I like the way it felt on my skin. The first time I started using it, I wasn't expecting so much because of the price point. I was thinking that, okay, I probably might not get all the benefits because it's cheap. But trust me, this Roushun Vitamin C serum really gave me what I needed. Though the only problem I had was when I was using it at first. The first week I started using it, I loved how it felt. Then later I started using one moisture. I changed my face moisturizer, and I started using it with that very moisturizer. And after like another few days, I started breaking out real bad. Yes, my skin started purging. I was not sure if it was this vitamin C serum. I thought it was this vitamin C serum actually. So I stopped the vitamin C serum and I went for another serum entirely. I used that one, and instead of the breakouts to reduce, instead of the pimples to reduce, it became much more. So I stopped the moisturizer I was using at that time and then came back to this one, and then it started working perfectly. So I'm going to advise that if you're getting this product, make sure you get a hydrating moisturizer, a good moisturizer, so that it doesn't work against the product. I don't know what happened there, but that is just how it worked for me. And yes, each time I use this serum, trust me, I mostly use it at night. When I started using it at first, I was using it during the day, but because it makes your skin really sensitive to the sun, I just switched from using this during the day to using it at night. So I started using it at night, and since I started using it at night, it started giving me what I expected and what I wanted from it. As a matter of fact, most times when I use it at night and I wake up in the morning, my skin feels very plump, soft. My face feels refreshed, moisturized, hydrated, healthy. So that is how I feel using this serum on my face at night. So it's up to you. It's up to you to determine when you'll be using this. If you have a good sunscreen, yes, you can use it during the day. So the vitamin C in it helps it in fighting environmental aggressors, all that free radicals during the day. So that is one reason why this vitamin C serum is actually good to use during the day. But then I just thought, okay, because of my own skincare routine, I had to simplify my skincare routine. I didn't want it a lot. I didn't want too much going on in my skincare, and I still wanted to maintain the Roushun Vitamin C serum in my skincare. So what I did was I just switched from using it during the day to using it at night, because I noticed that I had sunburn because of I didn't get sufficient sunscreen during the day, so it burnt my skin. So I had to now move it from using during the day to using at night. So this all depends on how it works for you. It's good to use it even during the day if you have a good sunscreen, because I will not advise you to use this product and go into the sun. Vitamin C and sunlight don't go together, and that vitamin C do not joke when it comes to going into the sun. So you have to be very careful. You have to be very intentional when you're using this product. But overall, I love how this product works on my skin. If you want to buy this product, if you're thinking of purchasing it, trust me, it's a very good buy. And if you ask me, Hope, will you repurchase this product? I definitely will repurchase this product. I would definitely always buy this product over and over again, because I noticed that I always find myself coming back to it. I really love how it works. I do not have any reservations whatsoever. This is how it has worked on my skin. It could work differently on other people, but I am saying how it worked for me. So outside that, I do have a sensitive skin. For me to use this product, and I didn't experience any kind of issues apart from when I used the moisturizer I was using at that time. I really love it. So that's why I'm going to be sticking around with this product for a long time. So if you intend buying this product, you're making a good decision buying this product, because trust me, it is a good product. It is tested and trusted. It's a product that I've used. So let me show you how it looks like. It's a product. So you see, I'm almost out. You can see. Can you see it? I'm almost out. So it's a product I've been using for a very long time. If there was so much in it, it probably would have poured out. So this is how it works. I just apply a few drops, but for this, I'm going to be putting just one drop. And I like the fact that it is actually thin, and I like the fact that it is, can you see it? I like the fact that it is not very oily, and it is more like, it is in between being oil and water based. So I like the fact that it just sinks straight into the skin. It doesn't stay on the top of your skin. Once you apply it, it goes straight into the skin. So I love how it goes into the skin, how it sinks into the skin. I love how it feels. Just make sure that once you apply this, you're going in with a good moisturizer, going with a very hydrating moisturizer, so you will get the benefit of this product if you use a good sunscreen as well. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have watched up to this moment and you haven't clicked the subscribe button, hey sister, did I offend you? Please smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.